guys, what's up? I'm Sumita Karina. The world might be halted a little by the coronavirus lockdowns, but with launches and announcements happening every other day, the tech industry is certainly killing it in how. And one of the gutsy brands that has done so is OnePlus. They've not just announced one, but launched two phones, and OnePlus 8 is one of them, and that's what I'm reviewing today. Unbox this phone, and the box is pretty huge in comparison to its size, in comparison to the size of the phone. And here's what you get. You get a warp charger and of course a phone case. Alright, first up, the design. As far as the design of this phone is concerned, as you can see, it's pretty sleek, it's solid, and the screen is curved on the edges, the back is shiny. All of this actually makes it look very, very premium. The build quality, I feel, is great, and a simplified design, with nothing over the top actually happening, just works wonders for the phone. I'm currently using a OnePlus 7, and it's slightly thicker than this, it's slightly bulky. But this one actually is just perfect. It's perfect for holding in your palm, and it's really, really great that smartphone brands across the world are now waking up to the relevance of design as far as gadgets are concerned, and especially phones, because you use them on a day-to-day basis, and it really doesn't help anyone if the phone is really, really bulky and you're using it 24 hours. As far as the colors are concerned, like I said, it's got a nice black, an interstellar glow, and a glacial green. Alright, now as far as the display is concerned, I would like to say that OnePlus has created magic here. Why I say that is because the screen is a humongous 6.55 inches with AMOLED display and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. So it's pretty quick, and the brightness is quite sharp. There is sharpness, there's brightness, plus it's full HD. You can use it outdoors, you can activate your reading mode, the night mode, and yes, what OnePlus has also given is the ability to boost colors, especially when you're watching movies or you're playing games. So I think it's really killed it as far as the display is concerned. That I feel is one of the biggest selling points of the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7T as well, which has carried on in the OnePlus 8 as well. Performance. That's one of the biggest reasons why OnePlus is being called a flagship killer, and that's primarily because of its performance. It's super fast. Its processor is pretty great. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which claims to be actually faster than all the previous generations, and it also has a 5G, although 5G right now is not available in India and doesn't heat up either. I played a couple of games, PUBG and Call of Duty, on this phone now, but I believe that the thermal management design of the phone is something to die for, and it's really, really great, doesn't heat up, and it's pretty quick, as you can see. Camera has always been one of the biggest selling points as far as OnePlus phones are concerned, and this one actually has a triple camera setup arranged at the back, on the back of the phone. So it has 3 cameras, 48 megapixel camera, a 16 megapixel camera, and a 2 megapixel camera, and there's a front camera as well. The center camera, that's often used for clicking selfies, has been moved on the side. It supports 4K. The color tones and the footage quality is stabilized as well. The footage quality is excellent. Well, let me tell you that the phone might look very sleek, but it packs in a massive 4300 mAh battery that will last you roughly for a day and a half, even if you use it throughout the day, even if you play Netflix and games throughout the day. I actually did so which is why I can say that it lasted pretty much around the same time, 1.5 days, and it's got a warp charging feature as well, which essentially means that half an hour of charging will give you 60% of charging on your phone, 60% of battery on your phone. So I think which is really, really great, and that's what smartphone brands in the market are up against. 60% battery in just half an hour of charging, which I think is really, really great, because most of the times we are always hard pressed for time, when we're going to work or when we have to leave for something else. There's barely any time with all of us, so I think that's what is essential as far as battery is concerned. The warp charging feature, thumbs up. Is it really pinching my pocket? Or is it affordable? Well, let me tell you, as far as the price is concerned, it's bordering around the 40,000 plus territory, which actually means that it's competing with the older flagships from smartphone and Apple.
As far as the price of OnePlus 8 is concerned, the base model starts at 41,999 and it keeps going up as the storage increases. So your 8 plus 20 128 GB model is for 44,999 and your 12 plus 256 GB model is for 49,999, which actually is 50,000 rupees only.
So what we missed out in this phone, actually there's lots. A, it could have gotten an IP certification just like the OnePlus 8 Pro, but I guess it can survive minor splashes, and a little beads of sweat. B, in terms of charging, the OnePlus Pro even has a 30 watts wireless charging, which is actually missing in the OnePlus 8. So wireless charging could have been a big feature, big differentiator as far as the OnePlus 8 is concerned, but it's missing in this phone. So overall, an incremental upgrade over its previous models, but nothing really that jumps out of the box that we can say that, hey, this is the big feature and this is why perhaps you should buy the OnePlus 8. But what do you think? Is it a truly top of the line flagship or just an incremental upgrade? That's my opinion, but you could differ. And do connect with me on Instagram at @SumithaCareer and let me know your thoughts about this phone. And yes, if you happen to buy a better model as well in comparison to the OnePlus 8, let's surely take the conversation forward and do connect with me on Instagram. On that note, till next time, goodbye and thank you very much for watching. I'll come back with a new device, same place on Gadget Times.